In this video, I will talk about Marvel price update. And for the first time I tried talking about this project is in the market valuation of the project is around 70,000. But I emphasize on uh, the consideration of knowing about this tokenomics of this project. The circulating supplies have grown since last time I make video about this. So we are going to look at the charts, and one thing you need to take into consideration is I told you anytime you want to be buying other altcoin, you need to be checking BTC price. So right now BTC in downtrend right here is like down 2.44% in 24 hours. So right here, if we try to go to BTC chart, right here BTC chart, and you will see that is in a little bit short time downtrend right here. You have higher low, higher low, higher low right here. It's going down lower, is unable to break this one and 30,000 BTC. So it keeping going lower, lower. So this price right now in 4 hours chart is in under 50 EMA moving average. And if I go to 1 day, it's still under. So the price is likely, how the likelihood of coming to this and moving average, or when this price arrive, just going to be around this 87,000 or around this little support right here. So that's going to be like 89,000. So that's not what we want to talk about this, but we want to talk about Morpho token. So right now you need to consider knowing about BTC price action for you to be able to know where this token also is going to go. So you see, I started talking about this token when it's trading right here, and I talked about the importance of this trend line right here, that if we break this trend line, we break this short time move upside right here, that we have the tendency of going down. You see, this trend line starts as support. When we break this, it's tried to break this again, but it fails and it stands as resistance. And right here, I draw another trend line to downside. And anytime you're looking at any chart you are trading, is trading under 50 EMA moving average, is you have to take like caution longing or placing a trade over the making a long position. So right here, but one thing you need to consider is anytime you go on higher time frame, let's say for instance I change this to daily time frame, 4 hour time frame. I try to, you see, this 4 hour time frame right now, the moving average stands as support right here. You see, there's this trend line right here, which is which this token is trading at support right now. And if I go to this daily chart right here now, I think we don't really have enough of charts to give us those and the moving average. So you're going to stick with this 4 hours. So once you confirm that we are under 50 moving average on higher time frame, which you want to trade on 1 hour time frame, you see we have support right here. We are in support right here again. So I will go back to 1 hour charts, and you can see right here, you can see what we are doing right here. Right here is support. So as you can see, we are in this support right now, and this trend line, this long time trend line that I draw right here, right here is standing as resistance right now. So in unfailing to break this unfailing to break this support right here is going to leave the price coming like come down to this previous dump right now, right here. Just going to maybe go do something like this and come to this level and maybe hopefully go back or just stay right here and maybe wait for the entire market to wake up again. So and right here if you want to right here if you want to right here if you want to just make enter a trade short position, this is the perfect trade to take. If you want to make enter a short position, you can just you are in resistance right here, you can just put your stop loss over of this previous high right here and put your take profit to this swing low right here. So that's good setup. If you be trading in spot, you are risking 5%, 5.21% to 18.17% if you be using spot trading. So right here, this is the amount of money you are risking to potentially get this. And I want to emphasize on this. And this circulating supply is growing. So that's some of the reasons this token is going down. So people are the team or the investor or the backer of this project, they're going to be selling their tokens. So that is going to really fuel the downside of this token. And again, BTC is not in good hands right now. So given those two factors, when BTC is traded to this level right here, which we don't really know what can happen, but we have this level, BTC can tend to have a support right here around there and continue going up. So right here is kind of reasonable, but it's not that much support, and this is the reasonable below right here is support. So if BTC come right here and or you try to come to this 50 AMA, maybe 50 AMA is going to just come up like this into this um short time resistance right here, and resistance that store show turn as support right here and just going to hold or maybe break this 50 moving average. So that's what you need to put into consideration. If this is what is able to happen on BTC chart and this token is just going to dump more further, so you can expect this token to dump to this um, resistance low right here and just draw your short time um, trend line right here. You can use this to just make sure you make sure you have make sure you touch as many as candle as possible going down. So with that, you have clue of where to expect this token to break or to have your token in downtrend. So this kind of the good setup, and if you want to trade this out right now, this is the best trade to take right now. So you are having 5% stop loss, that's tight, and it's 3 to 1, and risking, if you be risking $1, you'll be making $3 to $4. So that's the kind of trade you want to always trade, and just take this video as educational purpose. And if you find value in this video, subscribe to the channel and turn up your notification bell. I will see you on the next video.